Okay, hi guys, and welcome back here to Income Grinders. My name is Eric, and in this video I will go through and do a refinement of my keyword research that I started in the previous video. And I will just show the method that I will choose for this specific case study in how to select my keywords. And I will actually be using one or possibly two tools to do so, and those are both free to use in a sort of a limited capacity, but for the case study at least it will be more than sufficient. So I'll just minimize myself a bit here, and you can see that I have started by installing a small keyword tool that is called What's My SERP, which is really nice to have in the background running when you are sort of on Google searching for various kinds of topics. And I will change this to United Kingdom, like that. And as I start my car, it's getting too hot in here to turn on the air conditioning. So now I have written Crested Gecko here, and then I will, using that tool, I will get sort of a list of various related keywords and people searching for. But in order to make it a bit easier for myself, I will also be using this Ubersuggest tool, and I will set this one to English, United Kingdom, and I will do the same search here, Crested Gecko, since the first sort of topic I will be focusing on is it's a bit stalling. Crested gecko search is the crested gecko species of geckos. So I will write I think it is about 30 articles about crested gecko. So we're using the free tool now, and we will see what it comes up with. Then I will just basically copy paste the top. I think I'm able to get about 30 searches in the free version, and about 3 daily searches available. So once again, I'm sorry about the really slow computer. I'm at 86 subscribers, I think. So like I mentioned before, when I get 100, I will update my computer so I have a chance to create decent videos. So if you go to view all keyword ideas, we will basically see the same list that we're given here by What's My SERP, but the difference is that we will get a bit more additional keywords, I think. Let's see, if we go down to the bottom, we see that we are getting this here searches. So what I will do is I will basically just copy to clipboard, copy all available, and I have created a Google spreadsheet. And you see here I've already sort of created 2 tabs, and I have already in advance copied in all the keywords from Ubersuggest in here, like you can see. So we have 30 keywords, and my plan is then to start from the bottom to create one article when it makes sense to create an article. And some keywords are sort of related, and maybe that will sort of merge into one article. But anyway, the topic humidity for crested gecko is sought after a sort of phrase. So that therefore it makes sense for me to create a keyword around that. Create an article around that topic. So what I did next, will do, is to insert here on Google search humidity for crested gecko. So this will give me, both by looking up here, if I type in stars in front, for example, and space, then I will get a list of related subtopics related to humidity for crested gecko, and also more or less the same will appear in this What's My SERP plugin for Chrome. We see that people are searching for these kinds of topics. So for me, that means that these are subheadings in my article. So my structure will be the main topic, like humidity for crested gecko. Then all these related searches and related keywords will make up my sort of subheadings, which I will create content around. Now, also what Google is giving us here is that people are asking a bunch of questions here. So these top questions here that are related to humidity, I will create my own FAQ on this article to answer these kinds of questions as well. So maybe between 5 or 10 FAQ questions will be inserted in my spreadsheet and sent away in the order, or if I create it myself, I'm not sure yet. And these related searches are basically the same related searches that appear here in the What's My SERP. So basically what I've done is I will copy using the copy or download Excel file, and I have inserted in the tab for this specific article the top related keywords and searches. So this means that these are my subheadings and possibly a few more, and below is my FAQ questions that will be answered in this specific article. So I will need to do this for, sorry, I dropped my computer. I need to do this for each and every article that I'm intending to create, basically. And yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So if we look again at the keywords tab, we have next coming up is Crested Gecko UK. If we start from the bottom, working up our way upwards, I will not create, probably not create an article around that. But Crested Gecko Breeders is a related search for the sort of buy and sell page that I intend to create on the page website. And breeding, some keyword search is a great article about how to breed crested geckos, which will be a great articles. One page about what kind of names could you give your crested gecko, or yeah, I'm not sure if it's about the actual naming suggestions or if it's anything else. I will need to search in Google to find out. So now you see how I intend to create my articles, and I will do some heavy work. I will not create a video about every single article I will create and order content for, but this is the structure and the way of work I will try out in this case study anyways. And I will keep you guys updated about how it goes. And we can hopefully see in Google Search Console every other day how sort of the rankings and how the pages are getting indexed, and yeah, so it will be interesting. And that's all for this video about the case study and the keyword research I intend to use. If you have any questions, please place them in the comments, and subscribe if you're interested to keep up to date about this case study and related topics. Otherwise, it's time for the daily grocery shopping. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye for now.